Well, Alice, it must be quite an exciting period now. This is the first time the squad is together, 2013, the tournament coming up in the summer.
Yeah, everyone's really buzzing for it, everyone's looking forward to it, so it's good because spirits are all high and everyone's training hard, everyone wants to work hard for their position, so everyone's looking forward to it.
Since it was announced that Wales were hosting the tournament, there's been a lot of talk, and now suddenly it is 2013, so that sense of anticipation must be getting greater.
Yeah, I know, it's come around really fast, so not long now, so more training, more hard work, and yeah, should be here sooner.
And training just after the Christmas and New Year period. I mean, what will you be doing over the next few days in this get-together?
We've got a couple of match practices now, and then we'll have some training sessions. Got a match practice Thursday against a boys team, so hopefully that will go well. And everyone will be working hard now to get the position for the game at the end of the month against Norway.
So that's the first friendly game?
Yeah, that's our first friendly game.
You don't have competitive games, do you, until it's
No.
all friendlies now?
Yeah, so hopefully that will go well. I think it's a double header as well, so that'll be good. It'll be a good experience for us going into 2013, especially with Norway, because they're ranked pretty high, I'm sure.
In terms of the squad itself, I mean, pretty good squad to be involved in.
Yeah, it's a great squad. Like, everyone gets along really well, and everyone's buzzing, to be fair, with 2013, like, because this opportunity don't come along very often. So.
And talking of opportunities, you've got this opportunity this week, but at the end of the week as well, you're off to Greece, being part of the senior squad.
Yeah.
That's a good opportunity. Is it unexpected for you?
Yeah, it was a bit unexpected, but I'm really pleased with that, and it'll be a great experience for me. So like another learning curve. So hopefully I can learn some valuable experience there, and then bring it back into the under-19s to help us win more games and help everyone. Really.
That's brilliant. We'll catch up with you before the Norway game.
All right, thank you.
Thank you.